Problem 3. Angle ABC of triangle ABC is a right angle. The sides of triangle ABC are the diameters of semicircles as shown. The area of the semicircle on AB equals 8 pi, and the arc of the semicircle on AC has length 8.5 pi. What is the radius of the semicircle on BC? Pause the video and try to solve this problem. Well, let's think about where to begin. Well, we're trying to find the radius of the semicircle on BC. And as you can see, BC is the diameter of a semicircle. So we could think of this as 2a. And the radius is a. So essentially we're trying to solve for a. This whole thing is 2a. And how are we going to find a? Well, we can start with a by finding 2a, right? And just divide by 2. And we'll see that BC is 2a, and that's one of the side lengths of the right triangle. And in order to find one of the side lengths, we need to know the lengths of the two other sides. So how do we find that? Well, we're trying to find AB and AC, essentially. How do we find AB? So we know that the area of the formula of a circle is pi times 2 of the radius, pi times the radius squared. And this is a semicircle, so exactly 1/2. That means that AB divided by 2, that's the radius of this circle, squared times pi times 1/2 is equal to 8 pi. And now we can solve for AB. AB squared over 4, and we can cross out pi because we can divide it from both sides, is equal to 16. AB squared is then equal to 64. That means AB is equal to 8. So we know that this is equal to 8. Now let's look at the semicircle on AC. We don't know its area, but we do know part of its perimeter, and that is the circumference of the circle. But it's the circumference of a semicircle, so we have to take 1/2. So again, the formula for the circumference is diameter times pi. So we have AC times pi times 1/2, because it's 1/2 of the whole circumference, is equal to 8.5 pi. Now if we subtract pi, if we divide pi on both sides, we have AC is equal to 17. So AC is equal to 17. Now we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find 2a. So 64, which is 8 squared, plus 2a squared is equal to 289, which is 17 squared. So 4a squared is equal to 225. If we divided 4 on both sides, we have a squared is equal to 225 over 4. So that means that a is equal to 15 over 2. In the end, a, or the radius of BC, is 7.5 or 15 over 2. And that is the final answer.